Good day everyone, I am Jeremel Borday from BSc Mathematics 1A. So in this video, I am going to discuss and tell you about the azimuth. So an azimuth is an angular measurement in a spherical coordinate system. The vector from an observer to a point of interest is projected perpendicularly into a reference plane. The angle between the projected vector and the reference vector and the reference plane is called the azimuth. Why do we use azimuth? Azimuth tells you what direction to face, and elevation tells you how high up in the sky to look. Both are measured in degrees. Azimuth varies from 0 degree to 360 degree. It starts with north at 0 degree. What is azimuth in compass? An azimuth is the direction of travel indicated on a compass and expressed in degrees 135 degrees. A bearing describes an angle or difference from a point. On the compass, you use the north and south for the reference. An azimuth of 135 degrees is the same as the bearing 45 degrees east of south. Two kinds of azimuth. There are two ways you can determine an azimuth. You can use a map to determine agreed azimuth, or you can use a compass to determine a magnetic azimuth. Regardless of the technique, you will learn in this chapter how to convert agreed azimuth to a magnetic azimuth and a magnetic azimuth to agreed azimuth. How to calculate azimuth? The azimuth is the angle between north, measured clockwise around the observer's horizon, and a celestial body, sun and moon. It determines the direction of the celestial body. For example, a celestial body due north has an azimuth of 0 degree, one due east 90 degree, one due south 180 degree, and one due west 270 degree. Finding an azimuth. No complex azimuth formula is required to execute skillful land navigation. If you have an appropriately detailed map, a protractor, a pencil, and precise knowledge of your starting point and desired endpoint or direction, you are ready to draw an azimuth. For example, say you are handed a map on which 2 points have been labeled A and B. A is to be your starting point, while B is your desired endpoint, which appears to be some distance south and west of A. How do you find the azimuth? First, use a straight edge of the protractor on your pencil to draw a line through A and B. The line does not have to stop at each point. In fact, you should extend it as far as necessary to ensure that it crosses a vertical north-south grid line. You are now ready to reposition the protractor to determine the azimuth. So that's all for today's video, and hope that you learned something. Thank you for listening.